What is a quality management system? Whether you have heard the term in an audit, a job description, or a client requirement, it can seem abstract. In the next few minutes, we will break down what a QMS is, how it works using the PDCA cycle, and why ISO 9001 is the global framework that makes quality management systematic and certifiable. Let us get started. A quality management system is the structured framework of processes, policies, and responsibilities that guides how an organization consistently delivers quality. Structured system for directing and controlling quality across an organization. A QMS brings order to quality management by defining how work is planned, executed, measured, and improved across every function of the organization. It encompasses everything from documented procedures and work instructions to quality objectives, resource requirements, and the evidence that demonstrates conformance. The PDCA cycle is the engine that drives the QMS forward. Every process is planned with defined inputs and expected outputs, executed consistently, checked against performance targets, and acted upon to address any gaps. ISO 9001. 2015 is the internationally recognized standard that specifies what a QMS must include, and certification against it provides third-party assurance that the system meets these requirements. Because the QMS focuses on process rather than product, it is equally applicable whether the organization produces manufactured goods, delivers professional services, or operates in the public sector. 4 foundational terms underpin quality management system implementation. Quality objectives are the specific, measurable targets the organization sets to drive quality performance, and they must be aligned with the quality policy and monitored regularly. The process approach treats every activity as a transformation of inputs into outputs, and by managing these processes systematically, the organization achieves more predictable and consistent quality results. A nonconformity is any deviation from a specified requirement, whether a product defect, a process failure, or a documentation gap, and ISO 9001 requires every nonconformity to be addressed through a structured corrective action process. Continual improvement is not a project with an end date, but an ongoing commitment to making the QMS increasingly effective, driven by data, audits, customer feedback, and management reviews. Now let us walk through how quality management system works in practice. Define the scope and context of the QMS. Defining scope and context means understanding what the QMS covers, who the interested parties are, and what internal and external factors will influence quality performance. The quality policy sets the direction for the entire QMS, while measurable objectives translate that direction into specific targets that can be monitored and reported. Core processes are documented to the level needed for consistent execution, covering everything from design and purchasing to production, service delivery, and customer feedback handling. Performance monitoring uses a combination of internal audits, customer satisfaction data, process metrics, and supplier performance reviews to provide a complete picture of QMS effectiveness. Management reviews synthesize all performance data and direct resources towards the most impactful improvement actions, closing the PDCA loop at the leadership level. The implementation flow for quality management system moves through 5 key stages. Scope and context. Let us explore the key benefits that quality management system delivers for organizations. Delivers consistent quality that meets or exceeds customer expectations. A well-implemented QMS delivers the predictable, consistent quality that customers depend on, reducing variability and building the confidence that drives long-term loyalty. By controlling processes and addressing root causes of problems, the QMS reduces the waste, rework, and complaint handling that consumes significant resources in organizations without one. ISO 9001 certification, which demonstrates that the QMS meets international requirements, is a procurement prerequisite in many markets and opens doors to customers who require certified suppliers. Perhaps most valuably, a QMS embeds a culture of continual improvement where data, evidence, and systematic analysis replace guesswork as the basis for operational decisions. Let us compare what organizations experience without quality management system versus with it in place. Without a QMS, Quality depends on the skill and judgment of individuals rather than defined processes, leading to inconsistent outcomes, high rework costs, and a reactive approach to customer complaints. With a QMS in place, processes are defined, executed consistently, monitored against objectives, and continuously improved, delivering the predictable quality that customers demand and certifications require. Let us bring together the essential points from our introduction to quality management system. If you are ready to implement a quality management system and achieve ISO 9001 certification, our comprehensive Udemy course walks you through every step with practical templates and real-world examples. Enroll today and build quality into every process your organization runs. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more explainer videos.